In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to your Stripe account. This guide will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring that you're set up to accept payments through PayPal seamlessly via Stripe. So, let's dive right in and get started on streamlining your payment processes. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your dashboard. Once you're there, locate and click on Settings, which you'll find in the main menu. This will expand a list of options for you as such. Among these options, under Account Settings, you should see a section labeled Business. Go ahead and click on Business. If you prefer, there's also another way to access this feature by going through Balances right from your dashboard. Either route will get you where you need to be. Now, with the Business settings open, you can look for and click on Bank Accounts and Currencies. This section is crucial because it manages how your Stripe account interacts with various financial institutions and currencies. It's where you'll add new accounts or adjust settings for existing ones. When you're in the Bank Accounts and Currencies section, you'll see an option to add a bank account. Go ahead and click on this. Now, Stripe takes security seriously, so before you can connect your PayPal account, you'll need to undergo a verification process. You'll see a Send Verification button. Click this and carefully follow the prompts and instructions provided during the verification process to ensure that everything's set up correctly. After you've completed and passed the verification process, you'll move on to the next step, entering your PayPal account details. This part is straightforward. Simply input the necessary information corresponding to your PayPal account, making sure that everything is accurate to avoid any future issues. Once you've double-checked all your details and everything looks good, hit Add Bank Account to finalize this step. Lastly, you'll need to decide on your payout schedule. Stripe allows you to choose between a manual or automatic payout schedule. The manual schedule gives you full control over when funds are withdrawn to your bank account, allowing for better management of cash flow. Automatic, on the other hand, saves you time by transferring funds on a regular, predetermined schedule. Consider your business needs and pick the option that fits best for your operations. And there you have it, an easy, comprehensive guide on how to add PayPal to your Stripe account. By following these steps, you ensure your Stripe setup is equipped to handle payments via PayPal, which could enhance your business's flexibility and potentially open more opportunities for growth. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.